Good morning, sir and madam. My name is Evan. I am studying in 6th class. Today I am going to show you eclipse model. This is my eclipse model. While the moon and the earth revolves, at times it happens that they comes in a straight line. Then either solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. During the time of eclipse, it appears that a shadow is cast either on the sun or on the moon. There are two types. What is solar eclipse? What is lunar eclipse? Now will I explain to you how they are formed. First let us know about solar eclipse. This is sun, this is moon and this is earth. This is solar eclipse. When the moon comes between the earth and the sun, a solar eclipse occurs. When the sun is completely or particularly hidden from view of some parts of the earth. This process also mentioned in Surya Siddhanta of ancient Hinduism. It moon comes between the earth and the sun. Comes between the earth and the sun. Solar eclipse occurs only on Amavasya. Lunar eclipse. When the earth comes between the moon and the sun, a lunar eclipse occurs. When the earth blocks the sunlight from falling on the moon, so people on the earth cannot see the moon. This is called lunar eclipse. It always happens on a full moon. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good morning to Madam and Sir. My name is Sahiti Priya. I am studying in 7th standard. Welcome to my project work. This is my project work Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar exploration mission. It was successfully launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota on July 4th of 2023 at 2:30 p.m. The main mission of Chandrayaan 3 was analyzing the lunar surface chemistry and finding new technologies are needed for future mission. For this mission, two important research instruments are used for Vikram lander and Pragyan rover. Vikram lander mission is to successfully land on the lunar surface and Pragyan rover mission is to conduct experiments on the lunar soil and environment. As a result, many new and unknown information about the moon will reach to the scientists. And the Chandrayaan 3 mission's cost is 600 crores and the Chandrayaan 3 mission cost is lesser than the Chandrayaan 2 mission, which was 960 crores, and the Chandrayaan 3 mission weight is 3,900 kilograms, and the director of Chandrayaan 3 mission was Ritu Karidhar, and the 23rd August will be celebrated as National Space Day. Now let's see how Chandrayaan 3 went into the space. Thanks for visit our projects.
Morning, Madam or Sir. Welcome to our project. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in 4th class. She is my partner. Her name is Sulochana. She is studying in 4th class. Today I am telling about safety rules. Safety rules definition: a principle or regulation governing actions, produce device intended to lower the occurrence risk of injury to laws and dangers to persons, property or the environment. First one, road safety rules. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Do not run on the sheds. Always walk on the pavement. Never run around on the road. Always use the footpath while walking on the road. Next one, Next one, home safety rules. We should not play. We should not jump on furniture. We should not play with sharp objects. Example, knife, blade. We should not touch electrical wires, plugs or switches. We should not play with fire. School safety rules. We should not push anyone or jump on the stage. We should not stand on table or chairs. We should not run in the cargo. Ask the teacher for help if you are hurt yourself. Traveling safety rules. We should follow the traffic rules and obey traffic signal. Cross the road when the traffic signal shows walk. Always use a zebra crossing when you cross the road. Thank you for coming in this occasion.
Good morning, welcome to our project. My name is Devishri. I am studying in 4th class. She is my partner. Her name is Mansa. Today I am telling about means of transport. Means of definition. The movement of people, animals and goods from one place to another every day for various needs. To travel from one place to another, they use different kinds of vehicles. For examples, animals, cars, buses, trucks, trains or aircraft. There are three types of means of transport. First one, land transport. Second one, air transport. Third one, water transport. So there is land transport. Vehicles that move on land means are called means of land transport. A few examples of land transport are called land transport. Examples: bus, bike, scooters, bicycles, car, truck. Water transport. That means the means of transport that moves on water is called water transport. Vehicles that sail on water, for example, ship, steamer, boat. Air transport. The vehicles that fly in air is called means of air transport. A few examples of air transport are called air transport. For example, aeroplane, rockets, helicopter. This is called the means of transport. Thank you.
Morning, ma'am and sir. Welcome to our project. My name is Devash. I am studying in 4th class. My project name is Save Earth. Earth is the only known planet of the universe which has 8 tenths of life. We Earth need air, water, lights and trees to live, so we carrying them water. Water is very important part in our life. Don't waste water. Factory discharge waste water showing garbage and chemical in the rivers. So cases of water pollution, air smoking from factories and vehicles get dirty air atmosphere. So cases of air pollution. Thank you.
My name is Harika. I am studying 6th standard. There are my partners. His name is Sinsan. His name is Saifullah. They are also studying 6th standard. Our project is nutrients.
The substances that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and for growth. Different food contain different types of nutrients. Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, proteins. Carbohydrates are their nutrients which give us instant energy to do work. It is one of the main sources of energy for human beings. Carbohydrates are there include fiber, sugar and starch. They are usually lower in maintaining a healthy diet. Example: tomato, radish, broccoli, apple, orange, mango, wheat, potato and pasta.
Fats are the nutrients which gives us more energy than carbohydrates. They also keep our body warm. Our body stores fat to convert it into energy. Example milk, curd, ghee. Food containing a good quantity of carbohydrates and fats are called energy-driven food. Some fats are healthy fats. They are good for us. They can be easily used in our body. They are called unsaturated fats. Example, nuts, oil and avocado. Some fats are unhealthy fats. They cannot be used by our body. They are called saturated fats. Example, cream, oil, butter and cheese. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients which gives us more energy than carbohydrates. They also keep our body. They include vitamins A, C, D, E and K. Minerals have the same functions as vitamins. Some of the minerals required by the body are calcium, potassium and iron.
Proteins are the nutrients which help us to grow. They also help us to heal our wounds and injuries. Food-rich proteins are called body-building food. For example, fish, eggs, soya beans, pulses, cheese and meat. There are vitamins and minerals and deficiency and symptoms. Vitamin A, loss of vision. Poor vision, loss of vision, sometimes in darkness, night. Sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin B1, beriberi. Weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C, scurvy. Bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Vitamin D, rickets. Bones become soft and bent. Calcium, bones and tooth decay. Weak bones and tooth decay. Iodine, goiter. Glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. Iron, anemia, weakness. Thank you for visiting our project and encouraging us. First class children making some nutritious food.
Chickpea salad.
Some nutritions. Okay. Show me your recipe.
Potato curry. Aloo. Attu.
Okay.
Carrot halwa.
Carrot.
Halwa.
Okay. వీళ్ళనంట కనుక
I begin to
Good morning, ma'am. Thanks for visiting my project. Myself Ratna Kumari. I am studying in 6th class. My project is about the most important organs responsible for sustaining life. It pumps the blood to the body. It is a muscular organ with 4 chambers. Can anyone guess it? Heart. Yes, it is our human heart. We all know that the size of human heart is the size of about a clenched fist. We all know that human body. Do you know, beside human, there are different animals possess a heart. For example, grasshoppers possess a heart like pumping organ, though they do not function the same way a human heart does. So by this we can know how heart plays the important role in both humans and animals. The primary function of the human heart is to pump the blood throughout the body. On average, blood delivers oxygen, hormones, minerals and other components to various parts of the body, including the heart. The heart also ensures that adequate blood pressure is maintained in the body. So, these are the important functions of the human heart. Now, we will know about the structure of the human heart. The human heart was divided into 4 chambers, namely 2 ventricles and 2 atria. Among the ventricles are the chambers that pumps the blood. The atrium are the chambers that receives blood. Among these, both the right atrium and ventricle make up the right heart, and left atrium and ventricle make up the left heart. The structure of the human heart also houses biggest artery in the body, the aorta. Now we will know some facts about the human heart. The human heart pumps around 6,000 to 7,000 liters of blood in a day throughout the body. The heart is situated at the center of the chest and points slightly towards left. On average, the heart beats about 1 lakh times in a day, around 3 billion beats in a lifetime. The average male heart weighs 280 to 340 grams and in females 230 to 280 grams. An adult heartbeat is 60 to 100 times per minute, and for newborn babies at faster pace than an adult, which is 90 to 190 beats per minute. Thanks for visiting my project and encouraging me. I hope that you came up with some knowledge, facts and functions of the human heart.
Welcome to our project. My name is Gautam Mitra. He is my partner. His name is Venkatesh. We are studying in 7th standard. Today we are telling about a pinhole camera.
A pinhole camera is a camera without a conventional glass lens. An extremely small hole in a thin material can create an image. When all light rays from a scene go through a single point, in order to produce a reasonable clear image has to be about 1/100th distance to the screen or less. The shutter of a pinhole camera usually consists of hand-operated flap of some light-proof material to cover and uncover the pinhole. Principle of a pinhole camera: light rays from an object pass through a small hole to form an image.
A common use of a pinhole camera is to capture the movement of sunlight over a long period of time. This type of photograph is solography. Pinhole camera requires much larger exposure time than conventional camera because of small aperture and projected infrared image on opposite side of the box. This type of photography is solography. Typical exposure time can range from 5 seconds to hours or day. The image may be projected on transfer screen for real time usually.
Try this one. Please try this one. Thank you for visiting our project. Good morning, ma'am. Thanks for visiting my project. Myself Ratna Kumari. I am studying in 6th class. My project is circulatory system. The human body is a complex machine requiring many processes to function efficiently. To keep these essential processes running without any hitches. Vital elements and components needed to be delivered to various parts of the body. The human circulatory system comprises three main organs that have specific roles and functions. They are heart, blood vessels. Heart is a muscular organ, is located in the chest cavity right between the lungs. Heart has 4 chambers, 2 ventricles and 2 atria. In human, there is double circulation. Blood flows from right atria to right ventricle, which is collected by pulmonary artery, transported to lungs for purification, where the deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated blood. From there, it reaches to left atria. This is called pulmonary circulation. Blood flows from left atria to left ventricle, which is collected by systemic artery. Circulates blood to body through systemic vein. This is called systemic circulation. Blood is the body's fluid connective tissue and it forms the vital part of the human circulatory system. Its main function is to circulate nutrients, hormones, minerals and other essential components to various parts of the body. The blood is composed of a fluid called plasma, in which different types of cells are suspended. One of the cells are red blood cells, RBC, which contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains oxygen and transports it to all the parts of the body and ultimately to all the cells. It will be difficult to provide oxygen efficiently to cells of the body without hemoglobin. The presence of hemoglobin makes the blood appears red. Blood also has white blood cells, WBC, which function as a defense system. They provide immunity by fending off pathogens and harmful microorganisms. The clot is formed because of the presence of different types of cells in the blood called platelets. Blood vessels are a network of pathways through which blood travels throughout the body. Arteries and veins are present in the body. Arteries are blood vessels that transport oxygenated blood from heart to various parts of the body. They are thick elastic walls. Veins are the blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood towards heart from all the parts of the body. They are thin elastic or present closer in the surface of the skin. The vascular surgeon is the specialist for the issue of circulatory system. In circulatory system, the most important organ is heart. Now we will discuss about the human heart. We all know that the heart is the size. We are going to tell about human heart.